Yeah, sure. You can start your keeping point of view on boycott China product. Hmm.
Okay, no big deal. I'm saying that. So there is two things. First thing made in India, second in made by India.
Right.
So in made in India, like make in India. So we are inviting the foreign companies to come to our country and invest. We will provide to you land and other resources.
Hmm.
So basically, government is trying to catch the attention of foreign companies.
Right.
So they are for China, they are for Saudi Arabia, they are from South Korea. It doesn't matter.
Hmm.
Their total attention is to grab too much taxes. That's why they are inviting to the foreign companies. So there is a lots of benefit that we they are providing us a lots of employment. But
Hmm.
first thing that made in India means we are just taking items from other countries and we are just assembling in our India. Whenever you see saw on the MI phone, there is a written that made in India.
Right.
So they are just preparing the components in the China, but they are cooking into the India and they are just assembling. So first thing that why we want to start, why we discard that? Because his technology is better and everyone wants that better technology in cheap prices. So that is the kind of jealous thing. But when we are going for patriot, so it's not good for all. For India because
Hmm.
we are just promoting the China. They are attacking only me, but we are just directly indirectly providing money to promote them. So first thing that we have to sharpen our technology. Main thing is that our technology is not cheap. That's why we are going for the other country. Lava, which is providing, which is manufacturing the mobile phones, but most of the components which are comes from the China, they are just assembling into India. So basically things that directly and indirectly we are connected with China.
Sure.
Even I am working in Tata Motors, the EV in Sanand plant. Tigor EV is manufactured in Sanand plant. So most of electronic gadgets come from China. Basically, Tata is the Indian company, but he is taking the all the components from the China. So first thing is that we have to sharpen our technology. We have to work on our startups. In India, there is a lots of problem with startups. People are not going for a startup. They want to work. They do not want to create the work. They do
Hmm.
not want to create the employability. First thing is that. Suppose we are taking the example of Lava. So if we are going for the same price, Lava is providing the phone about 6,000. And when we are going for MI, they are providing 6,000 rupees mobile phone with more features. So everyone wants that I will definitely go for the MI phone.
Hmm.
So we have to make our lava phones such that our technology should be greater than Chinese. Then we will definitely go for the lava. We will not depend. We will discard to the MI phone.
Yeah, sure, bro. And
So lava actually someone is doing.
So lava is which country made from? Lava.
It is from India.
India only.
India.
Yes, it's an India-based company, but most of the electronic gadgets is come from the China. It's just assembling things. Because every one company like iPhone, whenever you take an example of any company which is producing electronic gadgets, most of the items, most of the components are
Yeah, I think
most
China
of the items are manufactured
also
in China.
import. Yeah, I think China
Yes,
also
China.
yeah,
imports
Vicky is also right.
components, all components, sorry, many components of USA and South
Yes,
Korea.
yes.
Yeah, sure.
But micro level components are basically manufactured in China because their technology is very so cheap.
Hmm.
So everyone wants more profit. Made in China means we are just discarding none. First, we have to sharpen our technology.
Yeah,
Without
sure.
sharpening, how can we will
I'm totally agree with. I'm totally agree with
we have to make our
Gyanendra.
technology greater than China.
Yeah.
Then we definitely go for India. If someone is earning about 700 or 800 rupees, and he is showing patriotic, I will take a lava phone. But he is not getting too much feature.
Right.
Definitely, he will not go for that.
No one will go for that. Right. No one will go for that,
So
Gyanendra.
main problem is that our technology is not
Yeah. Sure, and I'm totally agree with you.
from China. in the terms of technology. We have to learn from them
Mm-hmm.
in the good manner.
Okay.
If we are just installing Chinese app or we are not using China's items, how it will affect? Not too much, because most
Sure.
of the area is covered by China in every sector, whatever. If you are taking LG TV, or its components come from China,
Mhm.
directly and directly we are connected. So first
Sure,
we have
you're
to
right.
have our own power, so that on the basis of that we can say that no, we can discard.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Our technology is better.
We can discard, we can boycott, right?
That's all.
Yeah, sure.